Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing a first impression swatch video of the Colourpop Cosmetics No Filter Concealers. So just to go ahead and give you guys the general rundown specs of this product, I was gonna say this shade, but of this product. Today we're gonna be swatching 4 shades total. I went to my local Ulta. They didn't have all of the shades that I wanted to swatch, so I'm swatching what I had available. These retail for $6.50 online as well as in Ulta stores. You can purchase it both online or at Ulta. I prefer the instant gratification of going to the store, swatching it, seeing what it looks like, and bringing it home the very same day. I also don't like to pay for shipping. In total, from the whole line, there are 30 shades. You can go on their website and shop by your undertones, or you can shop by your skin tone. From those 30 shades, in the dark category, there are 5 shades. And then in the deep dark category, there are 5 shades again. Just from my opinion and really scrolling through and really looking at them, there are only 3 shades out of the 30 in this whole line that are for people of deeper, and I mean deeper complexion. On the website, it said that this concealer is supposed to be lightweight, full coverage. It's made with soft blurring pigments, which as a result makes it crease proof, as well as it has a natural matte finish. So going back to these soft blurring pigments, they are supposed to help with the name of the no filter concealer, in that it makes it that your skin is just naturally flawless, blurred, and you don't have to apply a filter once you take a picture because your skin just looks so flawless, so soft. You don't have to go in and Facetune the hell out of your face. The shades that I picked up were 58 Deep Dark, 50 from Deep Dark, 56 from Deep Dark, and 42 from Deep Dark. All right, so getting into swatches, we will start right here. This is shade 42. This in the middle here that's kind of orange, it looks like a color correcting shade, that is shade 50. This shade right here is 56, and then this shade right here is 58. So 56, it is a little more orange than this shade, and I think what would probably end up working for me are 42 and 58 for contouring and then for highlighting. All right, so we're back, and I have my Real Techniques handy dandy beauty sponge. I've wet it already, it's nice and plump. And I have already applied shade 42, as you can see in the lighter spots. And then I applied shade 58, which I'm gonna go ahead and say right off the bat, I'm disappointed because this could honestly pass as my foundation shade. This I don't think is deep enough to be my contour shade, honestly. And that is the deepest shade that they have in the line. So blending this out, this blends very nicely. It blends very smoothly. I think just from letting it sit on my face, I was not getting a good first impression because it was just kind of sitting there, but working it into the skin, it blends out really, really nice. Yeah, that's not even, like, that's not enough to be my contour shade. That disappeared. All right, so I'm all done blending. I definitely like 42 for my highlighting shade. It brought a nice glow to the center of my face. However, again, like I said, for 56, that was simply, it didn't do the job. It didn't cut it. And that's really disappointing because Colourpop is such a big brand that they could extend this and create a lot more deeper shades. And this is not a new foundation line. Like, I purchased some shades when they did the original release of this, and then they revamped it. So some of the shades that they have clear tubes, but the newer branding that they have, it has a matte frosted tube. So they have re-released, you know, this. It's been around for at least a year, and they've had time to extend the shade coverage. So 56, that blended in, just it seamlessly blended in with my foundation shade. So it's not, they don't even have a contouring shade for my skin complexion, which is really concerning. So I'm really disappointed that out of 30 shades, then they only, again, in my opinion, they only have 3 that are really dark, and I'm not even the darkest on the spectrum. However, they have a whole subsection called Deep Dark that has 5 shades, and one of those shades that's in deep dark is really like a correcting shade. It doesn't come close to being a deep dark shade. Their target audience, it's not for women of deeper skin complexions, and that's really sad because everybody should be able to buy things at a budget-friendly price point. I can't contour with this. I might be able to keep 56 and, you know, do a full face routine with that. However, it's a concealer. I already have go-to foundations. I don't want to use a Colourpop concealer as my foundation. It blends out really well. It didn't come out patchy like I thought. So maybe it was just a difference of it was on my arm and that's why it was coming off in patches, but it does look really, really good. It looks good on the face. It does feel very lightweight on the face. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything. It doesn't feel super cakey, doesn't feel super heavy. Overall, I'm pretty disappointed because this did get a 4.5 star rating on their website, and I agree, it's good. It looks good. However, it's not for everybody. Darker skin tone women are not their target audience for this product, and that's really disappointing. So yeah, I can only hope that in the future that Colourpop comes out with some darker shades so that everybody can experience this and get to use this. It's at an excellent price point. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any thoughts, questions, concerns, comments, whatever, put it down in the comment section below. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Yeah, if you guys have any video recommendations, definitely leave them down below as well. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.